Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Chrysler Pacifica in neutral. First, locate the rotary gear selector dial on your center console. Ensure your vehicle is completely stopped before attempting to shift. With your foot firmly on the brake, simply press the N button located in the center of the dial. This will engage neutral, allowing you to move the vehicle without power. Remember to always be on a level surface or use the parking brake. When preparing your Pacifica for towing or a car wash, engaging neutral correctly is key. If the engine is running, simply use the gear selector dial as usual. However, if your vehicle's engine is off or the battery is dead, you'll need to use the emergency neutral release. This manual override ensures you can still move the vehicle. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific towing guidelines to prevent transmission damage. For situations like a dead battery or a vehicle that won't start, your Pacifica has an emergency neutral release. You'll typically find an access cover to the lower left of the steering column. Remove this cover to reveal a tether strap. Pull this strap out as far as it goes, then release it. This action manually shifts the transmission into neutral, allowing the vehicle to be moved. Remember to re-engage the park release after use. When placing your Pacifica in neutral, always engage the parking brake, especially on any incline. Never leave the vehicle unattended in neutral, as it could roll unexpectedly. For towing, ensure the engine is running before selecting neutral, unless using the emergency release. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a great resource for anyone interested in smart money management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.